Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. It's your girl, Lady M here, and in today's video, it is going to be all about my May base Boxycharm box and the unboxing. So before we get into today's video, showing you what all I got in my Boxycharm box, if you aren't already subscribed, then please subscribe down below. Let's get me to 100. Yay! Yeah, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, make sure that you do hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I upload new videos. All right, so if you want to know what I got in my Boxycharm box for the month of May, then keep on watching. All right, so it's that time of the month when I do receive my Boxycharm box, and I just got my May Boxycharm box, and for some reason I thought it was gonna be the big box, but it's the small box. All right, so my box is still sealed, as you can see. So let's open her up and let's get into what's in my box. I like the suspense. You know, I like to kind of open it up together with you guys, so we're both like in for a treat. Okay. Oh my. So this is my box. I guess it's like spring because you see the spring flowers. The theme for this month's box is Flourish. And it just has all those pretty spring colors on the info sheet. And yep, so as per the usual, all the details about Boxycharm is going to be in my description box down below. So Boxycharm is a subscription box. They have 3 different types of boxes. They have the base, the premium, and the luxe. The luxe is the only one that you get every 3 months. So you get it about 3 times a year. And then the premium and the base you do get monthly. So yeah, all the deets are going to be in the description box below. Also, I will also have a link down below that if you do want to subscribe to Boxycharm, you can go ahead and use my referral link down below, and it will give you some money and I will get some coins as well. And I would appreciate your support. Yeah, so let's dive into May's box. All right, so it just has the regular Hello Charmer and then the box with all the contents, and I guess that's a little brush that just launched out my lap. I can already see that I'm gonna be disappointed. Okay, so the first thing I grabbed out of here was, this is the Tarte. Oh, let me get my sheet so I can tell you. I'll also have what the total value of my box is somewhere down here on the screen, so you'll know what the total value is. And then I'll also have everything that I received and each individual item's MSRP in the description box as well. All right, so the first thing I have is the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. This is an instant eye lift in a tube. It says, share liquid brighteners, let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. It's a diamond complex that delivers a soft focus finish, includes removable sponge for on-the-go blending. And the MSRP for this is $27. So I'm still confused as to what this is. Is it a highlighter? Is it a concealer? Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. So I guess on this end is the sponge that they were talking about. And then so it is a removable sponge. So you can just stick the sponge back in here But then how do you use it? I guess this thing comes off. Oh. Oh. Okay. Has no smell. Interesting. Okay. So it's the Shape Tape Glow One. So I'm assuming it says Glow One, so it must be like a highlighter, and the shade is Ablaze. So 4 ways to glow over Shape Tape Concealer. Okay, so you can put this over your Shape Tape Concealer. You can wear it alone for no makeup magic, or you can mix it with your moisturizer and primer, or you can put it on the high points of the face, collarbones, and décolleté. Okay, so I'm assuming it's like a, you know, this is probably similar to that new Fenty Bright Fix concealer corrector thingamabobber. I'm assuming that this is gonna be similar to that. I mean, I'm interested to see what it is. I don't really know what it is per se, but it tells you on here like how you can go about using it. So I'll give it a spin to see if I like it. Have you guys ever used the Shape Tape concealer? Like that used to be the jam back in the days. And then let me grab the next thing out of my box, because so the next thing I have is Cab Cosmetics. It's the Day and Night eyeshadow palette. This palette has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks, and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more intense nighttime look. The MSRP for this palette is $54. I guess Cab Cosmetics must be an indie brand or something. So this is the packaging of the palette. It says Cab Cosmetics Day and Night. So very simple. This has talc, mica, magnesium, blah, blah, blah. Where is this made? Made in China. And it is cruelty free. That is listed on the box. So it says there Cab Cosmetics, and it basically has the same thing. It's the cardboard box. It says Day and Night back there. Okay, so this is your typical neutral eye palette. Almost gives me like Violet Voss vibes when I look at the shade. So that is it. It does have a mirror in the palette. So yeah, it kind of gives me like Violet Voss type of vibes. So I guess this is a pretty palette, very neutral. It definitely has everything you need for day and night. Has a lot of shimmers actually. So I guess Cocoa is like the darkest shade in here because they don't have a black. So Cocoa is this shade right here, right there. That's Cocoa. Interesting. For $52, like I said, you do get a mirror, so that is a good thing. Here's the little mirror in the palette. So that's nice. Okay. I don't think I'm going to be trying this. I'll save this for giving it away to somebody else that may need like an eyeshadow palette or something, a starter kit or something. Okay, the next thing I have in my palette, in my box, this is the First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. And I remember like a couple years ago, this used to be very popular. And everybody was using it. I used to see it all over social media a long time ago. I did try it. I didn't really see what the hype was about it. I think I bought it, but I never repurchased it, or I may have returned it because I didn't feel like it was doing anything for me. So yeah, I think that this is gonna be a pass for me as well. So if you know anything about First Aid Beauty, this is formulated with coconut water. It's supposed to be super hydrating, and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. The result is a beautiful, healthy looking skin when worn alone, and long-lasting makeup when used as a prep step. So basically you can wear this on its own, or you can use it over your moisturizer, under your foundation for your primer. And like I said, it was okay. It wasn't anything that wowed me, you know, when I tried it a long time ago. But if you do have sensitive skin and you're looking for something that's not going to be too much for your sensitive skin, then this will be a good product for you. For me, it does come in a tube. I'll open it so you guys can see what it looks like. So it's basically like a squeeze tube. Yeah, so it's just like that. That's what the top looks like. And then it has like that little, you know, nice packaging or whatever. Not a fan. So I'll also be passing on this and giving this to someone that wants to try it, or, you know, is looking for another primer. Okay, and the next thing I have in here is from Drybar, and it's their Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. This is probably one of Drybar's most popular hair products, is this Hot Toddy. And I do say, if you do straighten your hair, you need to be using a heat protectant. For me, this is a hard pass because, yeah, I don't straighten my hair. I have curly hair and I don't need a heat protectant. So again, I'll also be giving this away. You also want to use that before blow drying too as well. Or on there it says for heat styling. It's a lightweight spray that protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The MSRP for this is $27. And I forgot to mention the MSRP for the First Aid Beauty is $30. And then the last thing I have in my box is the one thing that fell when I was opening up my box. And it's this little kabuki brush here. That brush. It is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Mini Kabuki Brush. The best-selling brush is perfect for all-over mineral foundation application. This super soft, dense brush distributes product evenly and quickly, making it a staple for any makeup routine. It can also be used with powder or to blend the face makeup for a more natural look. This is a cruelty-free brush and is made of 100% synthetic fibers that will not shed during makeup application. And the MSRP for this is $20. So guys, that is my box. I have 5 items. And honestly, I don't even want any of the 5 items in this box. The only thing that I'm probably willing to try is this Tarte thing, whatever it is. Other than that, it's thumbs down for me on this month's box. I've been disappointed the last couple months, so I'm almost at the point to where I'm just gonna be like, I'll just keep the Luxe subscription instead of the base, because the last 2 months my boxes have been shit. All right guys, do you subscribe to Boxycharm? If you do, let me know in the comments, what did you get? Were you happy with your box? You know, what you got in your box. Is there anything here that you have tried before, or you're excited to try if you got it inside your box? And that's it for my unboxing today, guys. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Again, if you made it this far and you aren't subscribed, then please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you will become part of the Lady M fam. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.